250. If the request is 250, it's the 25%. Similarly, the second machine also 25%.
50%.
How average can be 50% if the two average is 25%? So how the average is calculated? So if the 25% web server 1 is also handling the 25%, web server 2 is also handling the 25%, right? It is something like you are combining 2% and then calculating parallelly. So it will be 25%. Now for this particular machine, what is the average? Now what will be the average? If the total number of requests is 900, it got distributed like this, then what is the average? Again, anybody? So it will be 45%. So is this 45% is greater than 80% or less than 80%? It is less than, right? Or let's not directly jump to 2000. Let's jump to the 1800. Now you have to tell me, okay, like how much request will be distributed to both the machine. So now how the traffic will be distributed? It's become 90%. Now since the average is 90%, is now trigger point is happened.
A new web server will be launched.
Server 3. Nobody done the load balancer practical. But as soon as this machine will become healthy and our total request was 1800 only, then what will happen? It will start to distribute, right? And since here 700 happens, so now it's 70%. And if it is 180 divided by 3, then again it's approx around 60%. And if the average is 60%, now this average is less than 80% or greater than 80%. If this is less than 80%, then this 3 machine will be only running. Now in the night time, what is happening is now that number of requests reduced to 400. So here the average utilization is 10%. Now total average is again 20%.